What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades. Let's talk about some penny stocks. Let's break down my top 3 penny stocks to buy in March of 2021. The stock market has been an absolute battlefield over the last couple of weeks, and here at Touchdown Trades, we're never scared. We laced up our boots, we put on our helmet, and we marched right into the battlefield, and we turned over every single rock for the best deals on this recent pullback. Because I think once these stimulus checks, the $1,400 stimulus checks start going out, we're going to see money flood back into the market, and especially in these emerging markets like EV, solar, and tech. So I want to be in some good deals before the stimulus checks go out, because once that money starts hitting the market, these small caps, these penny stocks, they're going to take off. They're going to blast off. They're going to head to the moon. So we want to be in these stocks, these plays, waiting for those stimmy checks to go out. Because once they go out, I think it's going to be too late. We want to be ready. We want to have our seatbelt fastened. We're going to be on the launch pad waiting for takeoff. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button. Everybody hit the like button, not just if you're new. If you've been here forever, if you've been here a day, everybody blow out the fingers and jab the like button in the eye, because the like button is not our friend. After the video's over, if you guys want to get some free money, 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Check out the link in the description for Webull. All right, guys, let's break down these top 3 penny stocks to buy right now. Let's get it. Stock number 1 is going to be one that we've covered in great detail on the channel. And I said I was going to wait for a dip, and that's exactly what we got. We don't chase here at Touchdown Trades. We never chase. We're like a lion in the Sahara Desert. We don't run after the antelope and use all our energy. If you do that, you're not going to make it. You're going to die of dehydration out there in the Sahara. So what we do is we hide behind a bush and we wait for that antelope to come walking up. And once the antelope appears, we crouch, we wait, and then we grab it and we got a nice lunch. And that's what we're doing here with IDEX. We waited for IDEX to come down to our buy zone, and we jumped out of the bush and we grabbed it. I bought it today at $3 per share, and I think that's an excellent value. I alerted it to the private Discord chat where you get all my buy and sell orders in real time. If you want to get those alerts, click the first link in the description and come on in and join the Patreon and join the chat. So let's break down this IDEX, Ideonomics. Autonomous driving is the future. Robo-taxis. How can a company like Uber lose money, and they lose a ton of money? It's because they have to pay their drivers. People aren't going to drive around working for Uber for free. I ain't working for free. You are not either. So Uber has to pay the drivers a good chunk of the fare. Well, if they can figure out how to get rid of the drivers, they're going to become an extremely profitable company. And that doesn't only go for Uber. This autonomous driving space is going to be huge. Robo-taxis are going to be huge. But what happens when you're an Uber or Lyft or Tesla is going to be in the space, and you have thousands of cars driving around these cities that can't get out and charge themselves, because these are going to be EV cars. They're not going to be able to plug the charger in themselves because there's no driver. That's where IDEX comes into play with their wireless charging solutions. This tech is going to carry IDEX into the next level, in my opinion. So imagine this. You have 1,000 cars in a taxi fleet. No drivers, autonomous cars. So you have a parking lot with a bunch of these wireless charging mats laid out all over the parking spaces. The cars do their thing, their deliveries or whatever they're doing. At the end of the day or at lunchtime, they need to charge up. They park in the spot. 30 minutes later, good to go. You can also have these wireless charging mats in parking spots at grocery stores, at shopping centers. It is a literally endless revenue potential here. If they can get this tech going, this will send the stock to the moon. So we bought in the private Discord chat at $3 per share today, and we're looking for this thing to hold support. The support is going to be the 200 EMA on the daily chart. I am going to expect that area to hold, and I'm going to be looking for this thing to break out, break through recent highs, and go higher. So we're looking for that support to hold. We're going to look for IDEX to break through those recent highs at $5 per share, and we're putting a short-term, near-term price target of $6 per share on this stock. Love the potential here with IDEX. Ticker number 2, BNGO. Bingo is my name, Mo. Yeah, Bio-nanogenomics. The hype has worn off a little bit, and this is the crouching tiger, hidden dragon effect here too. We waited for the pullback, and we got the pullback, baby. And so we're going to be looking to buy the dip on this Bio-nanogenomics. I like this sector, and I like this stock. I think genomics is the future of the healthcare industry. If you don't believe me, just ask Kathy Wood of ARK Invest. She has said that genomics is the tech of the future. Imagine being able to diagnose somebody who's at risk for a certain disease and then be able to prescribe that person preventative care and medication. Just think about the revenue streams. You have pharmaceutical money tied into this, which is big money. We all know pharma money is big money. We have doctor money tied into this. We have insurance company money tied into this. Limitless money in genomics. It is the future. Keep your eye on it. I think BNGO is a good deal at these levels. We're going to look for that $7 support area to hold, and we're slapping a price target of $12 per share on this BNGO stock. All right. Penny stock number 3 for March of 2021 is going to be LIVX. This is LIVX Media. I absolutely love what LIVX Media did during the Rona. They started offering virtual concerts. So these musicians and artists, rappers, country music, doesn't matter the genre, they weren't going to be able to have concerts during the Rona. So that's where LIVX came in, and they started doing these virtual concerts, and I think this has big potential. Not only are they doing the virtual concerts, they had over 1 billion downloads of their podcast last year. That is huge. And they have seen 1 million people sign up and are paying subscribers monthly. So that's reoccurring revenue. The growth potential is there for this LIVX. Now, we are also seeing revenue increase substantially over the past 5 years. We saw annually 40% plus increases in revenue. We are currently trading around $4 per share, and there's support down around $3. So we can use that $3 support to risk off of, and we're putting a price target of $6 per share on this LIVX stock. We're going to look for that $3 area support to hold, for it to round back out and head up towards $6. If it breaks that $5 area, I think this thing is absolutely going to take off and head towards $6, $7 per share. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the video for the top penny stocks right now. I hope you got something from it. If you did, do me a huge solid and hit that like button for me. It really helps the channel grow. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Check out the links in the description. I love all of you guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Until next time, peace.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.